When we declare a variable as a static variable, then the life of the variable is equal to the life of the program. That means the variable is allocated as soon as the program starts, and it will remain allocated throughout the program, and it will be deallocated when the program ends. So if we declare this variable var in the test function as static, then when the program starts, that means when the function main starts in the memory, the variable static variable var will be allocated. Now all the static variables in the program, wherever they are declared, will be allocated when the program starts. So when we go into the function test from this call at line number 21, then the variable var is already there allocated. So here it's going to be 0. Now this is another thing about the static. They are implicitly initialized with 0. It's always guaranteed that static variables are going to be initialized with 0 immediately after allocation. So it's always 0. For auto it was garbage. Okay. So now the variable var is increased to 1, and then we are printing it again here with 1, and when we are coming out of the function, it's not like auto. They are not going to be deallocated. Statics are there because the program is still on. So we are getting back to the main. Now if I again go and call the test function, obviously I'm going to get 1 here because the variable is not yet deallocated. The previous call increased the value to 1, so the 1 remained there. So again it will be increased to 2, and now in the second call we are going to get 2 here. So let me just execute this program to show you how the static works. I'm just commenting the call to the test one here because that's not required now. So I'm just calling test, and I'm calling test twice. So first time it's 0, 1, and in next time it's 1 and 2. You can see that it's 0 and 1 in the first call. First it was initialized with 0, then incremented to 1, and then in the second call, when we are going to the test function for the second time, it's 1 here, and then it is incremented to 2, and we are getting 2 here. Therefore, if now I go and call it for the third time, then obviously the value for the var is going to be 2, because when it came out of the function for the second time, it was 2 that was kept in the variable var, and it remained there. So the lifetime of the static variable is equal to the lifetime of the program, and if we want to retain a value in a function, then we can use statics within the function or any block. So it will be there, and the value and the initial value for the static variables are always 0. But the scope of the static variable is actually local. That means we cannot access the variable var outside of the function test. So the scope is always local, but the life is equals to the program, and the initial value is 0. That's the difference with the auto variable. Only the similarity with the auto variable is that they are having the same scope. For auto it's local, for static they are also local. Thank you.